Welcome to day 5 of the 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. You've made it halfway through week 1. That's a huge accomplishment. Today's focus is all about controlled power, building stronger legs and a more stable core while staying consistent with your form. Let's start with our warm-up. Step onto the vibration plate and find your balance. Feel the vibration travel from your feet through your legs and into your core. Keep your knees slightly bent, your abs engaged, and your posture tall. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and out through your mouth. You're waking up your muscles, joints, and focus for the work ahead. Now gently shift your weight from side to side, getting used to the movement. Let your body loosen up, but keep your stance steady. This warm-up helps your circulation, balance, and muscle activation, all essential for strong squats. You've shown up for 5 straight days. And that consistency is building power. Stay centered, stay calm, and get ready to move. In a moment, we'll be transitioning into our first interval. So get ready to move. 4 squats, 20 pulses, 8 squats. Get ready for interval 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Don't be afraid to squat deeper if you can. Finish interval 1 strong. Nice work on that first set. Your legs are fully awake now and your balance is sharper with every rep. Take a deep breath. Feel the vibration working to relax your muscles even while at rest. This is a great time to check your posture. Keep your chest open, shoulders relaxed, and knees soft. Every time you step on your vibration plate, you're teaching your body to move with precision and control. That vibration adds intensity even to simple movements, helping to activate deeper muscle fibers, especially in your quads and glutes. Stay loose, but stay ready. Your next interval is coming up soon. You've got the rhythm, the form, and the focus. Let's take it up one more notch. Start getting ready to transition into interval number 2. 4 squats, 20 pulses, 8 squats. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. During those pulses, as well as squats, make sure that you're pressing through the heel. That way you can feel the burn in the glutes and the quads. Interval 2 done. You are doing amazing. Take this time to breathe and reset before your final round. Use this break to focus your mind. You've already done the hard part. You've showed up and you've stayed consistent. Your balance is stronger, your squat form is smoother, and your body is adapting faster than you realize. If you're feeling tension, gently shift your weight from side to side to keep the blood flowing. You've built the foundation. Now let's finish this final round with controlled power and confidence. You're right where you need to be, so let's crush it. Get ready for our final interval. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Focus on steady, controlled movement. Congratulations, you did it. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Day 5 complete. All right, let's head on into our 2-minute cool down. So stand tall and let your body relax as the vibration plate gently massages your muscles. This is your time to unwind and allow the vibration to release the tension you've built up. Let's release some of that tension. Go ahead and roll your neck from side to side. And then transition into some backward shoulder rolls. Feel that tension release as the vibration soothes those muscles. Now let's move it forward. Forward shoulder rolls. Great job. Just let your body relax and feel that vibration soothe your muscles. Stay in this moment for a few breaths. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the vibration flowing through those legs, helping your body to recover and reset. Your body is stronger, your coordination is sharper, and your endurance is improving with each session. Go on ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. You've completed another day. Give yourself a hand. You're doing something incredible, building consistency and confidence. Great work today. See you tomorrow. Bye.